moving pictures. Hello there, moving picture.
What's up, Dad? I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
Oh, we're so excited. This is our very first stay at the Grand Floridian. See, honey, I told you, the penguin fountain.
Oh, okay. You weren't lying.
So, everybody has to check in here if you're staying DVC. You would think that we were staying for a week and there was more than one person. But you gotta think, this is a week worth of clothes, just different places. 3 nights here, you know, you get it.
You were on the top floor.
He said one of us is happy. He loves the top floor. We didn't realize we were on the top floor when they said that our room was whatever on the 6th floor. We didn't realize that was the top. Our first time ever walking these halls. Momentous occasion. Okay, here we are. Open it up. Open it up.
The Mickey one.
Okay. Let's do this. Oh, we'll go straight to the windows before my battery dies. Oh, we have a little balcony. And we're over. Oh my gosh, we get to see the monorail.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, and that cool fountain. All right, my battery's dying. Hold on, people. Okay, guys, the quality on the camera may be a little different. I'm using the old camera. Long story, get into that later. So, we do have a pull-out.
We do.
With look. I miss seeing that. That's a really big TV. You have a little... That's weird. DVD player. We did not have time to unpack because we had reservations at the Grand Floridian Cafe, so we're just waiting on our table now. It's nice to see the park fair open again because last time that we were here it was not open, but they're not doing, it's not a character meal right now. We are seated in the back with a very nice view of the grounds here. Tom ordered a spice runner. Rum runner? Maybe that, I don't know. I just got a Coke. And we have some bread. If you missed our vlogs on our Life's a Whirlwind channel, you don't know that Tom has made dinner reservations while we are here, which is very odd because normally I make all reservations. This is new to me. So yesterday he revealed where we were eating today so that I could kind of plan around it. Now he is going to reveal where we are eating tomorrow so that I can kind of plan around that.
Ready? Have dinner at 7:15 tomorrow evening at the Walt Disney World Swan Hotel at Il Milano.
Ooh, I remember looking that up one time. And that's cool because the reason we haven't ate there before is because we're always on the dining plan. And they are not on the Disney dining plan, so we haven't ate there.
But she always wants to go tour those areas, walk through all that stuff.
Yeah.
And we actually don't have park reservations for tomorrow.
No.
So I figured tomorrow was the perfect day to head over there. And what better way to cap it off than to have a lovely dinner over there.
Well, that is cool. I was not expecting that. So, thumbs up on that one, huh?
Yay, that's one.
I wish, that's what I got ready to say. Tom just said it smells so good, and I'm like, I wish this was smell-o-vision for you guys because it smells amazing. We both got the same thing. We got salmon with sticky rice, and we love Disney green beans. Oh, this smells so good. That meal was so good.
Oh yeah.
Everything.
Oh yeah.
The green beans were crisp and
Flavorful,
yes.
Garlicky.
The salmon, oh, the flavors in the salmon. Highly recommend that meal. Definitely.
Oh yeah.
2 ears up. Evidently, they like have one option. If somebody really did not want to eat inside and they wanted to have outdoor seating, the Grand Floridian Cafe would do that with this one table. That's very interesting. Like normally they've never had that before the virus. Well, this totally sucks. They're not going to let us in. We wanted to kind of look around to see, we're in the way, what Tom might want to eat for breakfast in the morning. And because of all the stupid mobile ordering, we can't even get in there without mobile ordering. That just, oh, that infuriates me so bad. They actually do have more. They have quite a few outdoor seating opportunities. Okay, this really feels weird. We're so used to coming in off the monorail. Like our first look this trip at the lobby of the resort is coming in through these doors. That is so odd for us. All right, I guess you want to go to this one first? Tom wants to go shopping.
Didn't they change this whole dang thing to a women's shop
Oh,
now?
well, no, it has that little section of men in the back.
The little itty bitty one?
Yeah. Tom used to love this shop because it was all men's. Ooh, what is this? This is new. It's all chocolate. It's like the Remy one that we saw in the cafe. Wow. That's fancy smancy. Tom's looking for the mice and he sees no mice. I found the hidden Mickey right away. There's a hidden Mickey right there.
So much for the realism because there's no mice.
Let's just stand and admire. Well, this is interesting. This is a Vera Bradley bag. And it's not like floral. That's different. Unlike the regular one. Wow, I haven't seen these charms before. A Mickey bar and a pretzel. And then look at the 3 balloons. It's thinner than I thought it was. Look at that Space Mountain tie. Are you drooling?
It's awesome.
How much is it?
Does it matter?
Doesn't matter. $44.99. Hey, I didn't realize it said Tomorrowland right here. Oh, look at that one. The Falcon. Just in case you never paid attention, look to the little mouse head. Oh, you can't really see with the light, can you? There you go. Now you can see it. Let's go in. See what new merch they have.
Oh,
Look at the tag in my face.
That's very attractive, dear.
Aww, Minnie is sleeping. I spy a Mr. Mouse Diva. I had to use the restroom, so he went down to patiently wait. It's almost 9 p.m. and we're riding the monorail for the first time this trip. I'm so happy he's waving at us. So we're gonna head over to the Contemporary to just look around some shops. Oh, this is new.
They got new stuff.
Yeah, they got new dividers in here. Wow. Did we ride the monorail? We didn't ride the monorail when we were here in January, did we? I don't think so. So we haven't rode the monorail since November of 2020. So this was totally different. Like they were asking us what our stop was, and whatever our stop was where what thing they put us in. This is so, I don't like this. I can't see out the other side. This is horrible.
How can you be angry being on the monorail? What's wrong with you?
It feels wonderful to be back. Thank you. So y'all notice that those rooms are covered. That's because they're in the middle of a remodel. Rumor is that it could possibly be the Incredibles makeover. All right, it's time to look at some Disney merchandise. We'll go this way since they're going that way. What is this? Is this a cookie jar? Oh my gosh, it is a cookie jar. Whoa, that is huge.
Oh,
yeah.
oh, feel the outside and then
Tom wants
the inside.
Oh, that's different. Tom wants a contemporary robe.
Well, yeah. Who wouldn't?
75 buckaroos. This is my kind of thing with pockets for the vlogging camera. It says Walt Disney World and it's hooded. That's cool. Here it is on. That is pretty cool. Gonna vlog this early. So we're here in April of 2021 for my 50th birthday. And I'm gonna end up inserting this clip on our January 2022 vacation. And Tom is just finding out that they are remodeling these rooms that are park view that we have booked, obviously, for this trip. You already know that. And we may end up getting, because the rumor is that they're going to be Incredibles themed. So what do you think about these rooms being Incredibles, if that is the case, and we end up staying in a remodeled room in January slash February.
On the Incredibles contemporary hotel
combo. Well, they're also talking about maybe the Wave. That's going to be remodeled into an Incredibles themed restaurant also. So either way, we know we're getting a remodeled room when we're here in less than a year. never been at the Grand this late at night. It's like, is it 10 yet? It might be 10 already. So, I don't think I've ever seen the lobby this vacant before. 9:48.
Look at the Grand Floridian pool furniture. It's actually comfortable looking.
It's very comfortable looking. So we are in the villas, which is here, which we have our own check-in right now. This is the main building, where the other check-in is, and where everything else basically is. They have a fitness center open daily 6 to 9, pools and cabanas 7 to 11, and then the beach pool 10 to 11. Movie Under the Stars. Paint your Disney story. Join us in Belle's Library to paint a ceramic storybook box and get ready to create your own Disney story. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Located in the Enchanted Rose Tea Room. $15 plus tax. 12:30 to 2:30. Must arrive by 1:30 to participate. This has got to be one of my favorites, if not my favorite fountain at Disney. Alright guys, we are going to say good night. Show you our room, which is probably that one right there, the top blue thing, because we didn't have time to turn the TV off or close the blinds, so that's probably our room up there. Yeah. Hope that you push that subscribe button, bell notification button, so you will be notified when we upload again. Check out that hidden Mickey.
And we will eventually see you at the parks.
See? Our room is blue. We love this area. We love lock-offs because it gives us a great place to store luggage.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.